Por muitos séculos e décadas, africanos somos considerados como homens burros, homens sem conhecimento científico, e apenas somos considerados como feiticeiros, entre aspas, como eles chamam, conhecedores da magia negra. Yeah. Um jovem nigeriano construiu 2 helicópteros e é capaz de movê-los através de remoto de controle, assim como pelo seu próprio computador. Aqui é o da MC The Most Dance Ghana Hostage e hoje vamos mostrar este vídeo no total acerca do jovem nigeriano que construiu 2 helicópteros e que consegue mover os 2. Então, pessoal, fique neste vídeo, a não esquecer, curta, inscreva-se e toque as notificações para não perder os próximos vídeos que aqui há de passar no seu canal. Este vídeo é retratado em língua inglesa, não é? Em idioma inglesa, mas se for possível, se vocês comentarem, deixarem vossos likes, eu posso fazer o próximo vídeo traduzindo. Então, vamos ao vídeo.
Nigerians, we are talented. Take a look at this Nigerian guy. He built aircraft, plane, helicopter by himself from start to finish. Watch this video and share this video. Anytime I see person they do something, we are the like and encourage them. Watch this video. We are talented. Take your time and watch this video. I beg, share this video till this boy help her come. Share this video.
Hello everyone, my name is, I don't want to go to the comedy part, so let me address myself politically. My name is Abdul Gafar Ahmad Abiola. I am the Special Assistant to Kwara State Governor on Creative Industry, and I am here to present creativity to you today and show you what a very, very talented Kwaran has done. And he's ready to show people his talents, and I actually want the whole world to see this. So what is your name?
My name is Ali Musa.
Okay, please, I want you to go further and feel free to explain everything that you have done, and I want you to show the world.
Okay, so let me start from this.
Okay.
This is a UAV, which people see as a regular RC plane.
Are you an engineering student?
Actually, I'm not. This is a self-taught.
Okay.
I didn't further in any aviation school.
Okay.
So I taught myself about this. I made a lot of research before I could get to this stage.
Okay.
So it has been a very long journey though. So
your name again?
My name is Ali Musa.
Okay.
Sir. So this is a UAV. We call it unmanned aerial vehicle. We have our autopilot on board, and we have our system, and we have our remote control on ground. So and we have our camera on board. This UAV as seen on ground can actually go for as far as 40 kilometers, which you'll be taking your live feedback, your video live feedback from it. So let me go back to this. Let me just make it short.
Okay.
So this is a model. This is a diamond aircraft. They call it as, people know it as a RC aircraft. So it's a diamond aircraft. It's a normal model. I do usually just catch fun with this. I just fly it for fun while I use this for maybe.
You said you fly this for fun?
Exactly, sir. So I just fly it for fun. This is just a model. So there is nothing on board because it's a manual control, and this is auto control. So I have my flight controller on it, which I can control it automatically. I'll send it to anywhere I want it to go. I can send it to a special location to do a special mission for me.
It can go as far
as 40 kilometers.
This one, 40 kilometers?
Exactly.
40 kilometers is very, very far. It's like
very
from Kwara State to...
Let me say Ogbomoso.
Ogbomoso.
Yes, sir.
It's very far. And wait, you are going to be in charge of it from where you are?
Exactly.
And you can actually bring it back?
Exactly.
Okay.
I have my monitoring system on ground,
okay,
which I'll see. I'll get my data's feedback on the system.
Is the monitoring system, have you?
No, that's not the monitoring system. I have a laptop.
Okay.
So I will use to connect to the RC, to the aircraft.
So all these things, you actually built everything yourself?
Yes, exactly. I built it myself from scratch, locally.
What type of material do you use in doing this?
Foam.
foam.
We call it polystyrene foam board.
So this is actually incredible. So he's ready to lift it up, and I can't actually wait. So someone like this, if the government can actually help him, I'm very, very sure it's going to be very, very useful for Nigeria and for the whole world. It's surely going to be able to do many things for the whole world. So let's wait and see, and thank you for joining us. Yeah.
Thank you.
How many like to say become bye?
Okay, one day we're buying, so about to take off your mask.
Let's go on so. Check it, bro. Ṣé iná ń wò bóyá iná lè padà ṣerú ẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ iwájú àbí.
Okay.
Let me see your mic. I don't think your mic is on anymore. Okay. Show more of this. Please, what you are saying here, please say to the camera, like what you need to do.
Okay. I'm actually setting the missions right now. So I'm setting the waypoints. That's the command that I'll be sending to the aircraft, what the aircraft will be doing. So that's what I'm doing to my system. So after I'm done with it, I'll be sending the mission to the aircraft, to the autopilot on board. So I'll cover it. After covering it, I'll take off. So I'll be receiving my data back on the system.
Very good.
Because I have to spin the engine right now. So
Like you have to throw it.
No, I'm spinning the engine. So it's a massive thing now. Okay, so anyway, what can go as far as
So he's flying it now, and he said it can go as far as Oja Oba in Ilorin, anywhere. We are currently in Kwara State Stadium, so he said he can go anywhere. But I want him to land it now. Because of time. We still have other things to do. So he's ready to land it now.
Okay, sir.
Tell them.
So I'm ready to land the aircraft right now. So we've already achieved our mission. Although we can fly as far as 1 hour on air, and as far as
So that means 1 hour. Imagine a trip from Lagos to Abuja is even a 1 hour trip. So this person can actually build the aircraft. I believe in him. So let him land it now, and let's watch how he's going to land it.
so okay, I'm ready.
Yeah. So like the aircraft has been up there for more than 10 minutes now, and we are about to land it. So
I wanted to do a low pass.
okay. Want to land it now, right? Not yet. Helicóptero vai pra land. Want to land it now?
Not yet.
Okay, Belan. He's about to land now. Hey, bro. Okay. Yeah, Joe, clear. Hey, bro, carry this thing. Okay. You guys should move. It's landing now. Landing. Hey. Move up. It's landing. Move. So, our aircraft just landed. We were not able to record the landing part just because the person that was recording it was actually very, very afraid of the aircraft not landing on his head. But we did it. Congratulations. He was able to fly successfully and we appreciate him. Mention your name again. Aliyu Musa. Okay, from Kwara. And I'm telling you, I'm reminding that Kwara State got talent. So these are the our friends that have been here with us. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yin náà máa dàgbà o. Ẹ̀yin náà máa ṣe tójú báyìí lọ o. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. So thank you all, thank you Nigeria. Please let's support this guy and let's make sure he's going to be at the top very, very soon. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate you. God bless you.